Hi, I'm Debbie Egizio with Plow and Hearth. Fatwood is a great fire starter, but have you ever tried crafting with it? I've wrapped a flameless pillar candle with Fatwood, and here's a trick on how to do that. You take 2 pieces of rubber band around the center of the candle, and then just slide your pieces of Fatwood around the perimeter until you go all the way around. And once you're finished, tie a beautiful ribbon that coordinates, and there's your finished look. Another approach is to take the Fatwood and hot glue it to a container. This way you can add fresh flowers or picks and have a very pretty display. A final project idea is to dry brush Fatwood pieces. Just take a little bit of paint and lightly go over the surface, and then you can just hot glue these around the perimeter of a vase, tie a nice neutral ribbon, and then you can fill this up with fresh cut flowers or use this cone boxwood tree for a winning look. For more decorating tips, look for the next video in our series and visit us at plowandhearth.com.